Welcome to Premex. You may or may not know who we are, but we're here to make sure you receive an independent view of your personal injury claim. We're here to make sure that you're seen by the right medical expert for your type of claim, whether you need a GP, an orthopedic surgeon, or even someone more specialised. We have over 20 years' experience in helping people like you progress their claims. You're in safe hands. You'll probably have a few questions about your appointment. Over the next few minutes, we'll guide you through the process so that you know exactly what to expect. You'll receive a letter or email with your appointment details. This will include the name of your expert, the date, time, and location. In your letter or email, you'll see a link to Client View. This is our website that helps you manage your appointment, designed specifically to make your life and Premex experience easier. You'll also see your login details. In Client View, you can either confirm the appointment or rebook for a time or location that suits you better. We can't stress enough the importance of letting us know whether you can make your appointment or not. Missing your appointment can cause delays to your claim. If you can't let us know via Client View, just give us a call. Our team will be more than happy to help. Once you've confirmed your appointment, there are a few things you'll need to prepare. Plan your route, and if you're driving, don't forget to think about parking. Familiarise yourself with the events of your accident so that you can give the expert a clear account of the event. Bring photo ID and arrive 10 minutes before your appointment. If you forget to bring ID, your claim may be delayed. When you arrive at your appointment, you may be given a short questionnaire to fill in. Try and answer the questions as thoroughly as possible, as this will help the expert to assess your injuries. The expert's role is to be impartial and to offer a balanced, fair, and independent assessment of your accident based on the information you've given. Even though you're seeing a medical expert, your appointment won't be like seeing your regular GP. During your appointment, the expert will ask you a series of questions to better understand the circumstances and events surrounding your accident. The duration of this appointment will be dependent upon the expert you're seeing, the extent of your injuries, and the extent of the examination the expert feels is required. Don't think the expert is being rude if they're typing away as you're talking. They're just ensuring that all the key information is documented. You won't receive any treatment during your appointment. At the end of your appointment, you don't have to do anything. The medical expert will complete the report, send it to us here at Premex, and we'll then forward it to your solicitor. It really is as simple as that.